the partial interaction ye me van say dia ye lecture as me a ye sua de me na me ka se bebre sa ye why na recording as me na me kasa more then once a while then you chip in with your ideas then non-interactive is the one that you only listen to radios, sermons, TV, films, and what have you. Interactive speaking situations include face-to-face conversations and telephone calls, in which we are alternatively listening and speaking, and in which we have a chance to ask for clarification, repetition, or slower speech from our conversation partner. We've talked about this. Some speaking situations are partially interactive, such as Mame.
People are giving you messages in the inbox.
Sa
They are saying that
me my lower my yin me who de ekoso ase me kan fi me. Please excuse me.
History link.
Na kopo ahe. Yay, mesramo. Mesramo ebinum mfi so yakofa about 7 nti na nkofo me patro enko so yo let one more yay me wo me refi 7 na aboyi pam madam I say thank you please thank you rade na nkopon we dey my mistake mom yenko why mom yempon
like what are there nyamichira bawunim link we na amode to so my see enjoying for Colonial ba bia nana unya we ba why you say discussing is very effective.
You started around 5 or 6. Nana lecture no course so na say
I must start recording now.
And you must recording me am shame code
hello, please. Good morning. I'm sorry that I had to mute everyone like this, but I'm a bit confused. Please, Lucky Mensa or Mrs. Lucky Mensa. I wanted to ask, are you taking control of this class? Or I don't know what was going on when I came, but please, are you taking control of this class?
No, please. The class is not a history class, but we only took the link to discuss, to learn our personal courses. That is language and learning. So in fact, I forgot that it was 7 o'clock. We should have ended by 7. Knowing that the lecture, but I thought the lecture wouldn't come, so that is why I think it escaped me. I'm really sorry.
Dr. Ditabosh, I don't think you come, but then the other classes are ongoing. I don't know if you people are part.
When we started, I told them that for this particular link, the lecture might not come, so we'll be using it for our side study. So they know those who